in progress.
Okay, I'm going to have Shabbos Rabbi Glatstein Shalom Aleichem. As everybody knows, it's your favorite time of the week. And I could tell because, I see a lot of people where I just see their name, and because they're dancing up and down, they're jumping for joy, and it would be a little bit embarrassing to do so in public. So that's the proof that this is everybody's favorite time of the week. Okay, I have some new questions for you on Parshas Lech Lecha, and let's see what you think about it. Parak Yud Beis, Pasuk Tezayin. Parak Yud Beis, Pasuk Tezayin. Ul Avram heitiv ba'avurah, vayhi lo yitzaynu v'akar v'chamoyrim, v'avadim ushvachais v'asaynois ugmalim. Avram had sheep, cattle, donkeys, servants, maidservants, female donkeys, camels. Why does it interpose between tzayin, bakar, and chamoyrim? Asaynois ugmalim, and in middle it sticks avadim ushvachais. First, keep the animals separate and keep the people separate. Soinu vakar, vachamoyrim, asoinu isugmalim, and then after that it should say va'avadim ushvachais. That's my first question. Now you want to hear about what's really bothering me this week? I'm going to tell you. Parak Tezayin, Pasuk Yud Gimel. Does anybody know what word in Tanakh refers to Malchus Beis David? Malchus, the word haloim. For example, Moshe Rabbeinu was told, Al tikrav haloim, don't come here. From there the Gemara Darshans, Moshe requested Malchus. Ein haloim ela Malchus, shenemar, mi anoichi shehavisani ad haloim, the Gemara Darshans. So I have a question. If haloim is Malchus, why in Pasuk Tezayin, Pasuk Yud Gimel, Hagar was all by herself in the desert. Vatikra Shem Hashem Hadoiver Eleha Ata Kel Ra'i Ki Amra Hagam Haloim Ra'isi Acharei Ra'i. Even here I saw. Why would it use the word Haloim? Haloim is a lashon of Malchus. Yishmael doesn't have any Malchus. Yishmael never had Malchus. Of all words, why would it say Hagam Haloim Ra'isi acharei ra'i? Why the word haloim? Next, Parak Tezvav, Pasuk Gimel. You ready for this? Vayomer Avram. God says, don't worry, you killed all those people. Don't worry, I'm going to give you children. Vayomer Avram. Adoy Shem Elokim atitenli va'anochi halech hariri uven meshek beisihu damesek Eliezer. Okay, so far so good. Next pasuk. Vayomer Avram hein li. What do you mean Vayomer Avram? He was the one talking. Pasuk Beis says Vayomer Avram. Why does it have to say again in Pasuk Gimel Vayomer Avram? How many? If Avram is still speaking, it doesn't need to say Vayomer Avram. By the Malachim, when the Malach was talking to Hagar and says Vayomer Malach Hashem, Vayomer Malach Hashem, Rashi's medayik. Why does it say Vayomer Malach Hashem each time? Each time it was a different Malach. But why doesn't Rashi say anything over here? Why would it say Vayomer if it just said Vayomer before? Okay, and here's the big question of the week. Tez Zayin Vav. I'm sorry, Tez Zayin Gimel. Question: who married Hagar? Say Avram. Really? What word means kedushin in the Chumash? Kicha, taking. So the pasuk should say, Vayikach Avraham took her. But the pasuk doesn't say that. You know who took her? Vatikach Sarai. Sarai took her. Did you chapta? Do you understand this? Sarai took Hagar. Vatite noisal Avram. What, Avram is Katan? What, Sarah was Avram's mother? Can you imagine what? Avram was sitting in the room and Sarai said, oh, I have a shidduch for you. Go marry her. Why is the kicha on Sarai? Avram's the husband. And Rashi says, Lecha b'dvarim. But the husband has to do the Amira, not the first wife. It's almost bizarre how the phraseology of Avraham marrying Hagar is, where the kicha is going on Sarai, not Avram. That's very unusual. Is it even a kedushin? Was Sarah Avram shliach for kedushin? We know that a shliach could do the Amira instead of the husband. Was Sarah, could a woman be a shliach kedushin? No. What's going on over here? Okay, those are my questions for this week, and we're going to go to the shir on tefillah.
Recording stop.